Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or how to set up the assistive ball in this device. So here you can see this is the assistive ball. Now I will show you how to enable and how to set up this assistive ball in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings. Here you can see the option assistive ball. You need to enable this one, then you can see this assistive ball here. Okay, and I will show you how to set up this assistive ball. You can see two type of operation mode that we can apply on this assistive ball: gesture operation and tap menu. So if you select this gesture operation, and then you can see the three more options you can see here, and tap, double tap, touch and hold. So you can customize these operations also. Okay, so now default for the tap, you can see it is go back, and if tap on the double tap on the assistive ball, then the operation is recent task. Then if you tap and touch and hold on the assistive ball, you can see the operation is go to the home page, home screen. Now I will show you, just tap on this assistive ball, it will go back to the page. If I will touch a double tap, make a double tap on the assistive ball, you can see the recent application. If I touch and hold on the assistive ball, it will go to the home page. Okay, and you can customize these operations, gesture operations also. If you tap on this one, then you can select any option from here. If you want to select the take a screenshot, select this one. You can see now I apply the operation for tap is take a screenshot. Now just tap on the assistive ball, it will take the screenshot. You can see, right? And for the double tap also and the touch and tap or hold also, you can customize the operation. So if you select the tap menu, then you can see this type of icon you can see here. If you select this one, now you can see this one. Okay, then from here you can select any operation from this assistive ball. If you select this tap menu, so in this way you can enable and you can set up the assistive ball in this device. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.